I recently posted a small little informational item on alignable.com, as I do a lot. And what one of them was about why antivirus isn't adequate. And this is something that a lot of people don't understand. They buy antivirus, they go and they purchase things like Kaspersky and McAfee and Norton and LifeLock, and they think that these things are adequate. The problem is this information is based off of known data models. In other words, they train it off things that are known right now, and it doesn't account for what we call zero-day vulnerabilities, things that are actually unaccounted for. This is where AI steps into the picture and is very useful. AI on endpoint protection, which only comes with the latest next gen endpoint protection, basically provides adaptive thinking. In other words, it has either a machine learning or a deep learning AI that is looking at system processes and processes in memory and disk processes in real time. And based on what you commonly do with your computer, it is determining whether or not these things can be bad actors or not. That's why it's so important to have something like this, because those kind of engines can actually stop threats in real time, as opposed to finding something that's already on your system and cleaning it afterwards where it could already be too late.